In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter on this Lexus IS. This will be located in the air box on the passenger side of the engine bay. Let's get started. We'll have to lift up the top cover of the air box so that we can get to the air filter. There are 4 clips along the side that need to be popped off in order to release this cover. So just take your finger and pry them open. This one particularly here needs to be unhooked from the bottom. And now you should be able to lift this cover right up and out. Underneath it will be your air filter. So remove it, and there it is. Definitely time to replace this one. Before you put the new filter in, double check in the bottom of the air box to make sure there's no large debris, or sometimes leaves and acorns get in there. Make sure you slide it down with the pleats of the filter facing down, and you want to make sure that this cutout here lines up. Then you want to put the top of the air box down, making sure none of the clips get stuck, and just line it up the best you can, and then we'll lock it in. Hook this one on, lock it, and then just go around. All of these should lock very easily. If they don't, that means something isn't lined up. And that is replaced.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.